What's up, world? What's up, YouTube, Telegram, Discord? Got a strategy for you. Um, Killer strategy. I'm still trying to develop the right order for it. But I'm gonna do my best to show y'all. Um, so I use, let's hide this so you can see, Market Cipher. If you don't have Market Cipher, there's something, uh, Wave Trend by, Wave Trend outside by Madu. That loads, I'll show you. It's pretty much the same thing, very similar. So we have Market Cipher, MACD, settings on the MACD standard 12 and 26, just like these EMAs 12 and 26, and I add the VWAP. So these yellow things on Market Cipher is its own version of the VWAP, and this is also VWAP that looks like an EMA. So the strategy is, I know I've been showing y'all divergence, but this is a trending strategy. So like here, I sold Bitcoin this morning. Came at 4 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, right? I saw this red dot here in the cipher. I saw that there's no waves up. These are momentum waves, no waves up, right? Red dot, prices, it looked like it was gonna close below the VWAP, which it eventually did. It didn't, but it looked like it was gonna close below. This is an engulfing red candle. If you look, the MACD, right, it's doing the same thing as the 12 and 26. Same thing. They don't always do the same thing all the time, even though they're the same settings, but they're doing the same thing there. And it was a big sell from 11.8 to 11.3. It's a big sell. Now, there's multiple layers to the strategy. I'm going to stick to the no momentum here because in some cases, right, like let's say we're buying, you know what I mean? We had some, this is a bad example here on the cipher, but the MACD did the same thing here as the 12 and 26, and there was a big move up there. But we'll show you another example though. Let's see, is it here? Okay. You could even look at here on the day chart, right? We're gonna use right here where the cipher is. So there's no momentum down right now, right? Green dot came. Prices eventually got above the EMAs and the VWAP. Price was 11.6. It got up to 12.3 a couple days. We're gonna go to the Dow Jones US 30. It does this a lot. I'm on the day chart, so okay. So Dow Jones US 30, right? No momentum. Look what this VWAP is doing, coming up. And you see how the VWAP is here and it goes here. It's a day chart, so it's a big move. So it curved like it's doing here. It's not fully done yet. Bitcoin is kind of doing the same thing. So pay attention. It curved, and that green dot came. Price was 26.6. It shot up to, the highest was, it's lower so you can see the highest was 28.2, which was a big move in a couple days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Right? Let's go to a small time frame. We're still on the Dow Jones. I'm gonna try to keep this video short. I'm gonna go to gold after this and call it a day. Here's another one, 12:15 p.m. So there's no, these blue waves, right? We're looking to buy. There's no momentum going down. Green dot came. It came here. Price was 27.8. Got up to 27.9. It's not too bad. And that's off the 15-minute. I want to find another example. Here's one. Right, for sell, no momentum up, right? Red dot came. Price is actually under the VWAP, 27.7. And drop as low as, how low did this go? 27.5 off the 15-minute. Now we're gonna go to gold, and I'm gonna cut this video short because I know your attention span can't take it. Let's find a good example here. This was one, this was quick, off the 15-minute on a 10-minute, 10 o'clock in the morning today. There's no momentum up, red dot. Price was 19.31 for gold. It got to 1920, that's a 110 pip move if you're trading Forex. Let's see, there was another one here that hit. Price was 1935. No momentum up. 1935, and it dropped to 1921. It did the same thing again. Yeah. So sometimes you don't really need the EMAs, but I use it as a guide. I know the chart looks messy, but this strategy has been killing. And but US 30 and gold, right, or Dow Jones, whatever you want to call it, and gold, New York session, these things hit. So what time was this one? This one's a big one. This was 10 o'clock in the morning, New York session, 1985, right? So in 30 minutes, went from 1985 to 1962, no momentum up. No momentum up right here. And look, the MACD crossing down, oof, and this was close below here. And it's got lower to 1985 to 1920. And the whole day, so that's like if you're trading Forex, it's like a 600 pip move. So that's about it. Cutting the video short. So this strategy, you know what I mean? This strategy is something else. You know what I mean? There's nothing stopping this strategy. So so if you're using gold or US 30 New York session, it hits. So you can avoid the fake outs. There's more volume behind those moves I showed you. And Bitcoin, you can do it anytime. All right, later, guys.